let's start with a big old head. Tweety's got a big, round, eggish type head. Just like that. That's looking nice. And now we can make her cheeks like that. And all they do is come around like that. And then we come around like this for the other cheek like that. She's already looking cute, isn't she? Now let's draw a little beak here. Right like that. There we go. We'll make a little whoop-de-woo there like that. And a little smile there. Give her a bit of a funny cheek, 'cause she's plump and funny. There we go. And there's her neck starting right about there. Now the big thing with Tweety Bird are her eyes. So we gotta draw the base of the eyes here. One there and one there. That looks good. And we know we're gonna come up to about here because her eyes are very, very large. So we'll make a little dot there and another little dot there. And that will be our end points. So if we go like this, come on up like that, and then we come around like this. Very nice. And we'll do the same on this side. There we go. Perfect. We're already looking good, everyone. Now we can draw the inside of our eyes, the pupil here, and the other pupil right about there. Looking nice. And over here we'll do this there, and then the pupil there. Oh, Tweety Bird. Let's draw some eyelashes for her. 1, 2, and 3. And over here, 1, 2, and 3. That's nice. Maybe some eyebrows. All right there. Tougher hair. Looking nice. It's Tweety Bird, everybody. Now what we gotta do is come down a bit here, and we're gonna draw the Tweety Bird's body. So let's do this, because the Tweety Bird's always very shy. A little bum here like this. Looking good. We'll puff her chest out just a bit like that. Alrighty. Let's not forget a Tweety Tail. Little feather there for a tail. And we'll bring her arms down like this. And then like that. Looking nice. Finish her belly or her chest off there. Maybe bring her other arm from the other side over there. And we can draw some fingers here. 1, 2, 3. And over here, the hand up there like this. And like that. And maybe a finger there. Looking nice, everybody. Now we'll bring the belly on down like this. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. And we'll bring a little leg bit here. And another little leg bit right about there. All right, we're looking really good. Now Tweety's got some nice big feet. So we'll do this. And then like this. One. And the other toe right there. Bring it on down to meet up. Oh, we're looking good. And the other leg we'll bring in like this too, right about there. Bring that toe up here. And the other one around like this. There we go. And bring that on up like that. There we go, we got Tweety Bird, everybody. Looking very nice. Let's get to the color. Yellow for the Tweety Bird's body and feathers. Blue for the Tweety Bird's eyes. Orange for the Tweety Bird's feet and beak. Very nice, everybody. Thank you.